have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Hello YouTube family, how you guys doing? I hope you guys doing wonderful. And I know it's been a while, but I am back. I am back with a brand new video, a nice one, in a part of my house you guys haven't seen yet, which is my master bathroom. I hope you guys like this one. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know in the comment section how you guys like it. So this is me fixing my vanity. I am putting my perfume display on this pad. Let me know if you guys would put your perfume display right here. Okay, this is me showing you guys this vase. I get this vase from Ross. When I tell you I love it so much. And this chair, I get it from Home Goods. I love it so much, guys. So I am going with black, gold, and white. When I tell you I love it, it turned out to be so beautiful. You guys gonna see. Trust the process, guys. When I'm done with the decoration, you're gonna see how it turned out. Okay, so those two shelves, I don't know. The only thing I add was this longer shelf that I'm pointing out. That's the only thing I add in the bathroom. Other than that, everything was already there. And I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section if you guys will put that shelf to the side. I'm not sure, but I like it though. I kind of like it because I'm gonna use it to display my towel, like to put towel on it. And the shorter one next to the bathtub, I am going to place my, like, everything that I need to soak my body in the bathtub. That's what I'm going to put on this one next to the bathtub. That's it. And it looks so beautiful, guys. After I decorating it, it looks so nice. Please let me know if you guys like it. This is how it started to look, guys. Let me know in the comment section how you guys like it. There's a lot of little pieces that I'm not going to mention in the video because the video is already too long. So I don't want to keep talking in the video. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video. And you let me know if you guys like it, okay? So this is what I'm going to be placing on that shelf. I'm going to be putting my towels on the shelf and a little greenery in the middle and one of my vases that I get from Ross a long time ago. And that will be it. Let me know if you guys like it. And I know it's going to look so nice. Yeah, this is the vase. I get that vase from Ross a long time ago. I love this vase so much. And if you have one, it is like a nice piece to have in your house, okay? So I'm gonna let you guys continue watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
Okay, guys, this is the final look. It turned out to be so beautiful. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys would put something like that next to your jacuzzi. I love it so much. But as I stated before, most of the things that I put on it are the things that I'm going to be needing whenever I soak myself in the jacuzzi. Like my Ductile, my shower gel, my bath bombs. All of these things are what I put on top of it, okay? Even the flower, I did not want to put the flower on it, but hey, it turned out to be so beautiful, okay? So this is me on top of the jacuzzi. I'm showing you those two spots. These are the bar that was there to hold my towels. I removed it. I did not bother to probably repaint it because I'm going to get the bathroom renovated. So I'm like, okay, it doesn't make sense to me to go over it, like to repaint it when I'm going to renovate the bathroom in a couple of months. I just leave it like that. And you guys not gonna be able to see it once I place those two pictures on top of the tub. This is how it looks like, guys. It looks so nice. How you guys like those pictures that I put on top of the tub? I love it, but I hope you guys like it too, okay? You see how it turned, guys? You see how it look? It looks so nice. It looks so beautiful. By the way, I got those two pictures from Ross, like probably a year ago. They look so beautiful, guys. I think they were like $25 a piece. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's the price I pay for each, okay? This is how it started to look, guys. I'm going to let you guys continue watching the video and let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoyed the video, okay? I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye!
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your
going to place this tray across the jacuzzi. I'm just going to place some candles, 2 hand towels, and a glass of wine on top of it. And guys, this tray is so nice. While you're in the jacuzzi soaking your body, you can also enjoy your favorite show. This thing you see me showing you now is where you can put your iPad or laptop computer, lean against it so it doesn't fall. So I had 3 trays. This one is the only one with this action, okay? So guys, I thought I have wine in the fridge. When I checked the fridge, the wine was gone. So I'm going to put the glass anyways, okay? And I'm putting those towels on the side of the tub so it can be accessible. When you're done soaking your body, you just grab a towel and you dry yourself and out, okay? And guys, I'm going to place those floor mat that I get from Amazon. When I was searching to find me like a nice floor mat for that decoration, I come across those on Amazon and I'm like, okay, let me grab those since my color scheme was black, white, gold. So this fit perfectly with my color scheme, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. This is the before. This is the before. It was wood. First, it was carpet. I changed it to wood. Then, remove the wood and then put tile. How beautiful is that, guys? How beautiful. How beautiful is that, guys? Let me know in the comment section how you guys like this. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love